Maximizing Personal Finance, Strategies for Managing Money When Living Out of a Truck. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Maximizing Money, Living Out of a Truck Finance Tips A. 2. Smarter Banking, Thriving Financially While Living in a Truck B. 3. Truck Life Finance, Strategies for Managing Money on the Move C. Thumbnail concept. The thumbnail should feature a happy, determined-looking individual, preferably of diverse background, sitting inside a cozy truck cabin, surrounded by nature or cityscape, with financial charts and money icons floating around. A subtle text overlay could read, Maximizing Money, Living Out of a Truck Finance Tips, or any of the other title options. Hook script. Bold music kicks in. Voiceover. Imagine living life on your own terms, traveling the country, and never worrying about money. Today, we're breaking down strategies for maximizing personal finance when living out of a truck. Full video script. Exact word-for-word script. Timestamps are included. Midnight to 0:15 introduction, hook script. 0:16 to 1:30 introduction to the topic, explaining the unique challenges of managing finances while living out of a truck and why it's essential to have strategies in place. B-roll suggestion, footage of people traveling in trucks and using various financial apps. 1:31 to 2:45 building an emergency fund, importance, tips for saving, and methods for growing it. B-roll suggestion, time-lapse footage of money being saved and growing in a digital account. 2:46 to 3:45 budgeting techniques, the importance of budgeting, popular apps, and customizing a system that works for your lifestyle. B-roll suggestion, screen recordings demonstrating the use of budgeting apps. 3:46 to 4:45 investing for the future, explaining different investment options, their risks, and benefits for those living out of a truck. B-roll suggestion, animated graphics illustrating different types of investments. 4:46 to 5:30 maximizing income, side hustles, passive income ideas, and optimizing work-life balance. B-roll suggestion, footage showcasing successful people with diverse sources of income, such as bloggers, YouTubers, and online entrepreneurs. 5:31 to 6 o'clock conclusion, recap the main points, encourage viewers to take action, and mention any resources or special offers. B-roll suggestion, final graphics summarizing key tips and a call to action. Video description. First 2 lines visible before show more, then timestamps, then affiliate link placeholders, and hashtags. Maximize your financial potential while living out of a truck. Discover our top strategies for budgeting, saving, investing, and boosting income. Affiliate Budget App. Link 0:16 Introduction. Link 1:31 Building an Emergency Fund. Link 2:46 Budgeting Techniques. Link 3:46 Investing for the Future. Link 4:46 Maximizing Income. Link 5:31 Conclusion. Personal Finance, Financial Tips, Truck Life, Digital Nomad, Minimalist Living, Budgeting Apps, Investment Strategies, Passive Income, Side Hustles. Tags. Personal Finance, Financial Advice, Truck Life, Digital Nomad, Minimalism, Budgeting Tips, Budget Apps, Investing, Passive Income, Side Hustles, Money Management, Financial Literacy, Travel Finance, Nomadic Lifestyle. Pinned comment. Speech Balloon, ask us your top questions about managing finances while living out of a truck. Let's start a discussion. Flexed biceps. End screen script. Last 20 seconds. Voiceover. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Affiliate Budget App.